is my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the visions of frequent rain left disease what I was living, and the picture that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In listless dreams I walked alone, a narrow street of cobblestone, beneath the hell of a wasteland. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light that sprinkled night, and touched the sound of silence. And in the nigger loud I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. The people talking without speaking, people howling without listening, people lining songs that voices never show. No one there disturbed the sound of silence. A fool said I do not know, like a cancer grows. Yes, heal my world that I might let you, take my arm that I might let you. But my words, like silence, raindrops fell, and echo in the world of silence. And the people bowed and played to the new God they made. And the sign played disease warning in the world that is was for me. And the sign set the walls of the professor right on the subway wall and tenement halls, and whisper to the sound of silence. 고맙습니다.